Boom. Yeah, he's sitting over there. He wants to hear. This is your man, Tete, aka Boom Boom. Boom Boom, you tell me there. Boom Boom.
Boom boom.
Yes. Yeah, today, we still on Freestyle Pan Logo number 4. Minasan Kiowa. Hidane. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Kiomo Freestyle Pan Logo Die Young ni ikma show. Ajimete mite dukata wa dai ichini san adunde so de o mite kudasai. Ja ikma show. So let's run through the reading. So quick. There we go. Kiomo Mada beginner Freestyle Die Young Kona Kanji no rhythm Yukudi Yadima show. This is the rhythm, and let's play it slowly so that you can get everything as it goes. So let's go slowly. I think if you've been playing the first, second, and the third, then you shouldn't have problem with the fourth one. Yeah, because then your hands are growing. Yeah, I think you are getting some experience, so you shouldn't get problem with this. Moshi dai chini san ne benkyo stada tara tabun kono yon wa monday nara na to mo nande tegane technique ga fuetedu ne so rhythm ga fuetedu kara kore sonnani muskashiku nara na yoni moshine ichini san de majimete no kata tabu muskashi kamoshire na yukuri yadi masho ne. Okay, kode yate kudasai.
みんなやってるね、国王様からずっと。
誰
500人ぐらい。
ね。recording.
小松の時。これ2拍子。
Timingで来るときね。Okay, ゆっくり行きましょう。 at all. Yeah, he started playing the bell at the back too. Yeah. So this is how the rhythm goes. Die young, not rhythm. Kona kanji. Nasanoban taiko to de video minagada benkyo ste kudasai. Ajimete miteru kata wa chanto todo kushite ベルのところにして、そしたら次のビデオを皆さんが一番最初見るように、あとコメントもライクもしてください。あと友達と、シェアしてください。そしたら、他の方も、太鼓好きな人を、勉強になれるように、みんな楽しくしましょう。If you are first time here, try to subscribe and turn the notification button so that you'll be the first person to get the next video, because I'm coming with a lot and different technique. We just started. So and share it with friends, those who love playing conga, djembe, pan logo, any palm drum. Share with them so that we all can enjoy. Yes. So see you. Matane. Bye bye.